Hi there, I'm Fiona Goble and I'm a knitting writer. I've written, I think, over 20 books now, and one of the popular series is a number of books all on an animal theme. The one I'm going to talk about today is Knitted Animals Scarves, Mitts and Socks. 35 fun and fluffy creatures to knit and wear. That animal scarves, mitts and socks, but most of the patterns are animal scarves, and I wanted to take you through one of the most popular patterns in the book, which is a rabbit scarf. And I just wanted to show you how it comes together and a few little tips and tricks to make sure that it looks good.